Susan and I got a new puppy about 2 weeks ago, and this is the very first parade that she's ever attended. The city of Montgomery starts the show at 10 a.m., and there's the usual assortment of clubs, kids' sports teams, and local politicians riding in convertibles or the back of pickup trucks and trailers. But today, I'll just be showing a few of the cars, buses, and trucks, because that's mostly what I go to see during a parade. If it weren't for Back to the Future, I doubt that many people would know or even remember Deloreans. And then there's a local club devoted to Model A cars from Ford. The new puppy was probably confused about all the commotion, and she went running back to Susan a few times when there were loud sounds or sirens, but I think she wasn't too traumatized. And then there's Montgomery's own cycling legend, Tom B., who's been riding this weird bike in every 4th of July parade for the past 24 years.
How you doing? 24?
24 what?
Years riding that bike.
Oh. Woo! Hi. How you doing? Good. How are you? Good. Good. When you take your flag out, that might be annoying. Here, you want to feel it on it? That can be cuter. Yes. So there we go. Walk with that.
Hey, Millie. What do you see? What are you up to?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi. Did you chew on your flag? Look.